You've got to help me. I seriously don't know where to begin. I've published well over 1,000 patterns in my 20-year career, and somewhere in all of this is my creative life. Somehow, over all these years, I've managed to keep most of my notebooks where I've kept my sketches, my designs, the math, the sizing, so many different facets of my 20-year design career. And honestly, I'm so grateful that after all the moves, somehow I managed to keep them. Now that I'm ready to tell these stories, I honestly don't know where to start. From the dozens of books of patterns that I've written, to the dozens of books I've contributed patterns to the hundreds of patterns I've contributed to magazines and yarn companies over the years, not to mention the hundreds of patterns you can find on my website too. There's so many patterns. I need your help. Tell me, where do you want me to begin first? Comment below with one of the patterns you'd like to see me start talking about first. Is it your favorite? Something you never got to? Something you struggled with? Or something you just know there's a juicy story behind the scenes? This series is going to be the story of all my patterns, 1,005 and counting, but the first few episodes are going to be the ones you choose first. You've got to help me. I seriously don't know where to begin. I can't wait to hear what you have to say in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.